Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build passive income with GAP, detailed guide step by step. Begin by understanding what passive income is. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort once the initial work is done. Next, explore various passive income streams. Real estate is one of the most popular options. Consider investing in rental properties. This requires an initial investment but can yield consistent monthly income. You can also explore dividend-paying stocks. These stocks provide a portion of the company's earnings regularly. Another option is peer-to-peer lending. Here, you lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest. Consider creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Once created, these products can generate income over time. Affiliate marketing is another avenue worth exploring. You promote products and earn a commission on sales made through your links. Next, research platforms that facilitate these income streams. For real estate, websites like Zillow or Realtor.com can help you find properties. For investing, consider using brokerage platforms such as Robinhood or E-Trade. Create an account on a peer-to-peer lending site like Lending Club to get started. If you choose digital products, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can be beneficial. For affiliate marketing, sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Develop a clear strategy for your chosen income stream. Set realistic goals to measure your progress. Time management is crucial for balancing initial efforts with your daily routine. Stay informed about market trends relevant to your passive income sources. This will help you make informed decisions moving forward. Network with others who have successfully built passive income. Join online forums or local groups to share experiences and advice. Regularly assess your passive income sources for effectiveness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.